So I guess this is day 6 cladding. So now I'm on the front of the tiny house. I put the first 4 in, which seemed to go in okay. The house wrap wasn't as bad on this side. It's a bit snug there, but I screwed it in and it seems to have settled down. So the next fun bit is jigsawing around here. So I need to put in 2 more slats and then I'll use the jigsaw to cut around the second window, which will be fun because I've never really done anything. It's not super technical, but for me it is quite advanced in a way. So hopefully I want to get all this cladded by the end of today and maybe round the corner, but we shall see. I'm so pleased to be done. Probably the second time I've only ever used the jigsaw cutter, which is really fun. But yeah, I'm kind of glad I've only got one circular window. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with how that turned out. Just need to do that window, but yeah, it's all getting there. So this is the last side to do. I think I'm gonna have to remove quite a lot of that fabric there just so it sits flush. But yeah, no, it's this side to do. Not too bad, tiny bit fiddly, but nothing major, just window, 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 door, then whoosh, that'll be done, which will be awesome, which will be amazing. I can't wait till that's done, and then I can start on the subfloor and then building like the partition between the bathroom and the main space. So it's getting there.